Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to migrate your Pycoin to Mainnet and how to transfer your Pycoins to the wallet. So it will be very easy. Let's get straight into it. Now the first thing to do is to open your Pi app on your phone and then go to wallet.py as you can see right here. So click on it once and here you will have to unlock your Pi wallet using your 24-word passphrase. So either you have downloaded it on your phone or you have written it down on the paper. You have to get your passphrase to unlock your wallet, or you can also unlock it with Face ID or whatever passkey you have on your phone. So now once you have entered your passphrase, you will find yourself on this page. You will have to change the Pi testnet into Pi mainnet. It's just to change the network. So go here to Pi testnet, click on this arrow and choose Pi mainnet. After that, you will find yourself on this page and a lot of the history has changed, and even in the migration it has changed. Now here you can notice that the available balance is 0.01 pi. So if I go here to the migration button, I will find these two. So this one is locked till 2026, but this one I can move it. So let's just click on move, and here it will ask you to confirm that you want to move this balance. So click on confirm, and that's it. Now if I go back to my wallet, the available balance is 575, not like the 0.01 earlier. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.